This is Rob Sparry. In this video, we're going to talk about the winch and how we made our selection, and of course, we're going to show you our installation. Before we get started, I'd like to give a shout out to the Honda Side-by-Side Club Forum. They were very instrumental in the purchase. We got it from the club store. It takes a lot of money to keep those types of community forums going, so pony up and feed the beast. All right, you ready to do this?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. And the contactor via this little Y-splice. Okay, so I think that does it. I think we're ready to install this little guy. Well, in that last segment, I made a mistake. I talked about this part that was missing, and I called it a clevis hook. That is incorrect. This is really called a shackle. This is called the clevis hook. And when I went out to find one of these, I figured, well, where do you go to get a clevis hook, places that have a snatch block and shackles, but your local sex toy shop. And I went there to try to get one of these, and they didn't have any, but I did get some other really cool stuff. I'm not going to get into that right now. But in any case, we have everything we need now, and we should be able to, get to the installation. So, Brendan, where are you? I got something for you. Let's take a look at some of the tools and supplies. Wahoo! Well, I hope you enjoyed our little winch video. And that wraps it up for this edition of our Honda Pioneer tutorial series. So we'll see you out on the trails.